All right, fellas, here we are back at one of those ones that I was talking about with the mobile home. We put Ameristar in this one. I think I'm going to go with the Grand Air next time because the air handler is a little bit smaller, basically about 3 inches smaller, and will work. But this is what we came up with, and this is kind of crazy because this unit was in there, and what happened was when I took it out, and I will show you the picture in the video of what it wasn't even attached to the plenum down there. So if I would have put a case coil on it, I'd be right back taking it off and taking the whole unit out and hooking up the ductwork, because it was just blowing right into the crawl space underneath. So whoever installed it at the mobile home manufacturer did not connect it to the ductwork. I do like the way that the Ameristar, it comes with a shipping piece of metal that goes up here, and it goes all the way so that doesn't do no damage. So what I did is I flipped it over and I put that metal on the bottom, and what I did is I took a seal and I sealed it all the way around so it's not leaking. So it is completely sealed underneath there, and that thing ain't going nowhere. It's sturdy. So that's the way it came out. And they're gonna have to do a little bit of work. They're gonna have to put a door on it, possibly a louver door or something, or maybe put a return up there and hide that behind something. But kind of crazy though, because it had two 60 amp breakers on that, if you could see it, and on the panel it had a 30 and a 60. So you know, there's no power. This power is off. We ain't even hooked up yet to the grid, but electrician's gonna come out and he's gonna take that out. So but that's it, man. I knew they wasn't gonna be able to use it. It was a straight cool. Everything was straight cool thermostat. This is the thermostat that they had in it. This is the thermostat that they had in it. So I'm gonna give it all back to them. They can take it back. But I'm not one to do install videos because it takes so long and stuff. But I will be doing like showing you before and afters, and on the Gree-Flex, there's a couple things that I still would like to get out there to show you all about the flex systems. This would have been a good candidate for a flex, but the air handlers are just so big, man. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, they could have probably done something with it, but you know, we put in what the customer wants. So but like I said, I think I'm going to go with the Grand Air because it's going to be about that much shorter, easier for the copper to work the copper in there. So all right, that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.